In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill shapes with photos in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to spice up your presentations or need a creative design element, this neat trick is sure to grab anyone's attention. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have it up and running, go ahead and open the presentation you'd like to work on. It could be an existing file you've been developing or a new project where you're seeking to add a burst of visual flair. After you're in, navigate to the slide where you've already inserted a shape. If you haven't yet added a shape, it's easy to do so by heading over to the Insert tab and selecting Shapes. Choose the one that best fits your design needs. Next, you'll click on the shape you're planning to fill with an image. Once selected, navigate to the top of the toolbar where you'll find the Shape Format tab. This is your go-to spot for editing and customizing the look of your shape. Click on it to reveal an array of options dedicated to making your shape stand out. Locate the Shape Styles section, and within this section you'll find the Shape Fill option. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear, offering various color options, gradients, and at the very bottom you'll see Picture. Choose Picture and you'll be given a few options on where to source your image from. For this tutorial we're selecting from a file which allows you to upload an image directly from your computer. Choosing this option prompts a browsing window to open, giving you access to your library of photos. Here's where the fun begins. You can take your time to choose an image that best represents the message or theme of your presentation. Once you've selected your image, confirm your choice, and just like that, the photo will fill your chosen shape. The transformation is immediate, adding a personalized touch to your slide and creating a compelling visual impact. So there you have it. These simple steps allow you to integrate a creative and visually engaging element into your presentation seamlessly. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with different shapes and images to see what combinations work best for your unique style and presentation needs. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to enhance your PowerPoint presentations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy presenting.